5 more amazing knives. This right here, hack knife design. This is the only OTF knife that does not have wiggle room, from what I understand, and these things are extremely hard to get a handle on. This side here, Socom Elite, Tanto Edge, DLC 2-tone stonewash Barca pattern. So I guess that's awesome. Look at that, serial number under 5, number 4. So that's cool. There's more other stuff, information about it. Then we have CKF knives, custom knife factory. This is Russian knives, and a Spyderco. I just think it's so cool. Let me show you what they're all about. We'll start with this one right here, because somebody in comments with my last OTF videos said I should make a review of this one. Wow, look at that clip. First of all, there's a little push button. I don't know, I think it's just cool. And yeah, look at these buttons. Satisfying. Carbon fiber, really nice and thick. Oh, there you go, there's markings on it. Really hard to see. Model C, pattern number, and 20 CV. Okay, that's a blade. Ooh, satisfying. So there is easy push and second harder push. Easy, second push, you see? And it stays in there tight. And what's so special about this knife? It has no wiggle room. This is the only knife that has no wiggle room. The OTF knife. Let me compare it to something else. Got right here Microtech. What year is that? 2020, 10/20/20. Really big one. You hear that? There's a wiggle room. And it's nature. Also, where is this knife balance? Around here. So not where I would be gripping it. What about this one? Does this one well balance? Nope, not either, but they're just normal. Really close to it, because all that heavy end is right here. But yeah, this one has no wiggle room at all. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of me knives like that, but it'll be really hard to get a hold of them. Look at their logo. Looks like a claw, like a bird claw or something. That's kicks. Very nice kick. So yeah, again, still love these knives, but this is just something very unique. Love the way it sounds too. Okay, let's see what this one is about. First of all, look at that. I love that little keychain thing. Nice case. Boom. This one a little bit used, but yeah, there is the name of them. 2019, so not super old, but yeah, look at that. Bubbly. Can I figure out how to open it? There you go. Barca and morphine. You see that? These knives are really expensive. I love that blade right here. What do you guys think? That one is like a little bit more simpler, but people absolutely collect this kind of knives. And if you're wondering if you would use it, yeah, this one been used. You see there's a little bit of scratches, so it's a little bit cheaper than a new one, but somebody was using it before I got it. This is nice. So you got it here, liner lock. Yeah, it takes a little bit of practice to figure out how to open it, but yeah, Soccer Elite morphines, really nice. There you go. Then we have Custom Factory. This is $650 knife. Give it or take it. There's I guess all about it. Certificate of authenticity. The designer is Philippe Jorget, M390. Okay, There's a bunch of stickers. This is a refrigerator magnet. Russia. Okay. Microfiber towel wrapped in. That's cool. Okay. Phone flipper. There you go. Takes a little practice. Frame lock. You see how it's locked in the frame. And what's so nice about these knives? They're absolute fidgeters. Oops. So there's that here M390 and 246, I think it says. I think this is like a number of a knife. And look at that. Do you see that? Boom. You know, once you figured out how this knife works, you don't even have to do the flicking motion. It just so nice. Look at that. And nice size for my hand. That thing is a beast. I love it. I'll take it camping and things like that with me. It's a bigger knife, so probably hiking. Boom. Yeah. Once you figure it out, looks like there's a second, like a safety locking mechanism whenever you break it, so it doesn't guillotine your finger. It's kind of like a safety. Plus, you see, it's a kind of will block it into your finger without the sharp edge over here. Nice. This thing's smooth. The butt locks in really good too. Doesn't come out that easy. What do you guys think? I really love these knives. I might keep them, at least like 5 of them, and keep upgrading. You know, it's crazy though. 6 months ago, I didn't even know there's front flippers that you could just grab it like that and open a knife. You see? Now I know, and I'm sure a lot of like me just learning about it. And the last one, we got right here Spyderco. Made in Japan. I love Japanese stuff made. And it's called, I guess, Civilian, KU, whatever. Okay, let's see what it's about. This thing is huge. This looks like a car bit. Back lock, but we can still flick it, open it. You see the back lock right here? There's so many different names. But this one is huge. Check this out. Let's see if I can flick it. Oh man. No way. This is definitely not a flicker. So the only way to flick it, open it, is this way. And that thing is a beast. Look at that big, like a tooth, whatever you want to call it. Let me borrow that blanket. Yeah, wow, look at that. Sharpened on one side. But yeah, you need to open up some tape and boxes. Look at that. Pull it. But yeah, it's a carabit, I guess. That thing is huge. I have seen a lot of small ones. I didn't know they have made like this big carabit Spyderco knife. Don't know how vintage this one is. Does it say the year made? Sometimes they do. But yeah, this thing is a beast. Beautiful. There you go, Spyderco logo. Some people will say it look like a tick. Oh yeah, wow, it flicks out. There you go. Just give a little like shake and it will help it. That's nice. What about this way? I'm not that good at it. Maybe not the most comfortable knife to open it this way, but definitely flicks out this way, so it is definitely a flipper. Very interesting knife right here. What do you guys think? So yeah, let me know in comments below which knife was your favorite. This is really hard to pick. Really hard to pick right here. How many did I get? One. I only got 4 knives. I guess I bought this one out as well. I guess I got right here 5 knives. But yeah, let me know in comments below which knife was your favorite. Honestly, like almost like must have every single one of them because they're all so different. But yeah, that one is special. I love Russian knives. So yeah, might keep this one forever. But yeah, pretty awesome. I need more of those ones to unbox and review. Hopefully I can get a hold of them. Really rare all that stuff.